playing Taco Life because, well, this isn't even Taco Life. This is, what's it called? Taco Kitchen or something. I just decided I was gonna play this game because it's been a long time since I played a Taco game. And they were literally like my whole entire childhood, so yeah, this is gonna be scary. Let's go. So if I had to do it, I just have to use my finger. Why did he look like that? You want this? No. You see what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a carrot. First we're getting a carrot, and then...
Wait, no, get it on his plate. Okay, and then we're gonna take this, and we're just gonna... And then... Get some of that on there. Oh, he's scared. Good. He should be scared. Ooh. We're gonna get rid of all that normal. Haha. This is gonna be bad. Okay. Now that we got the exit. Take this all across it. Take it out, take it out. Get more of that on there. Also, sorry about the camera. It's just gonna keep doing that. Okay, get some. Okay. Eat it now. He's so confused. He's like, sorry, you became a giraffe. Dude, really? Just to let me be a giraffe 1 second? Ooh, well, no, I want to do her first. Okay, let's see. Let's actually give her, like, something really bad, and then act like it's really good. Okay, so, what do we have over here? Could give her a sausage. That'd be funny. I don't know what this is, so we're giving it to her. I think it's a dragon fruit. She's happy so far. Let's ruin it. Oh, you can do multiple plates? Oh, you bet. It's also go to whatever the heck this is. This is gonna go in here. Okay, now we take these out and form them. You're going right here. No, you weren't supposed to eat that. You greedy. Ugh. No, don't eat it. It's not for you. Actually, it is for you, but you're not eating it till later. And just for that, you're gonna have 2 of them now. Never mind, you can only have 1. Okay. Well, you're also gonna have a mushroom. So, that's the price you get for spitting my magnificent thing out. Okay, now let's put you some salt on there. That's pepper. That's not all. I'm just filming the video of playing this game because I don't have a video. Okay, now we got her some of that. Let's see. We need. Wait, that's broccoli. Get on the side. Okay, and then. Here we go. We need to go over here. First, we need to fry this.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there.
Thank you so much. I need to find out what Everly wears and see if she needs her little Ripples t-shirt. And then...
Her 3T still fits her.
Let me cut this up.
I
How
asked
do
her
you
the other
cut
day
it?
if I need to go ahead and make her another shirt.
Oh.
I can make her about 24, you know what I'm saying?
Just gonna...
She wore it the other day. Alright, Barry, you gonna be doing that project?
Yep.
Okay.
Here we
I'll be back
go.
in a little while.
Alright, bye, Dad. Okay, put this right here. And now we need you. And you are gonna go in here. Now, we need to... Now we have some of that. And I suspect she's gonna want actually like something good to go in that. So let's get some of this. Get her a watermelon drink, because watermelon's nice. Okay, and it's already basically full. I'm just gonna put like a little stuff in there. Okay. Now, something with this will... Let's put this in here. Woo! Make it wriggle everywhere. Oh god. Okay, that's it for that. I know it's hot. You're gonna have to deal with it. Okay, now this is going in the oven because I feel like it needs to. So, cook in the oven now. Woo. Okay. Now we just need to watch this. There we go. Nice. This is already okay, this is not cooking good. I mean, like... Oh! Dumb. Oh, it's turning green. Enough. I'm sorry. Ooh, it's a rainbow now. Even better. Okay, let's take it out. I feel like it needs to be taken out now. So. Now it looks like her shirt. That's cool. Well, it's actually her sleeves, but whatever. Okay, now we're gonna set that over there. And now we need to fill out the broccoli. And I have something to do with the broccoli. I just realized I was saying it wrong. It's actually broccoli. Or Brookhaven. So we need to do something with the Brookhaven. No, not you. I'm talking about the Brookhaven, not the descended milk. What the heck? I'm so confused. Okay, just take this over here. Probably need to like do this and then cook it. Like cook it first. Oh my god, it's getting this. Okay, that's cooked enough. Now we need to go over here and oops. Ooh. I have to watch some of those. I already watched that and that. I just need to watch the emotions by... Okay, anyways. Now we just need to cut a little over here. Okay. I'll be back once I have all this ready, because, yeah. Okay.
Ooh, we're back. Hello, we're back. And this is what we have for this magnificent lady who just
Wants her food. Who has a very weird eye that I've just now realized. Okay. Oh, hi. You are disappointed. I don't care. You're supposed to be disappointed in this because it's not supposed to be good. I'm probably not going to post this. Whatever. Do you want to eat it? No, you just want to look at it and now it's on your nose. Okay. Can we at least eat it? She's not gonna eat it. Okay. Okay. Let's see how she likes her drink first. It may look like chocolate milk, but it's definitely not. Let's see. Does she like it? I think she does. Okay, that's good. Now, let's see her reaction to this. It's also okay. She liked it. Oh, never mind. Girl, excuse me. Whatever, just eat the rest. Stop sneezing in the screen. Ugly. It's actually kind of funny now, but it's still disgusting. Just eat it all at once. It'll get over soon. You still have more, lady. Okay, let's feed her the broccoli. That's not the broccoli. That's the broccoli. That's also the broccoli. This is not the broccoli, but we're feeding it to her. Oh, she actually liked that. Okay, let's see how you like mushrooms. Okay, that's good. That's good, that's good. Okay. Now I just need her to drink. Excuse you. Oh. Okay, she drank the rest. Okay. Moving on from her, and now we're just gonna end it here because you know why? Because I'm tired of this game already. We're gonna play a different game, okay? Well, actually, I'm not tired of the game. I'm just tired of holding my phone like this. So yeah, bye.